Hi lovely people, you welcome to Dr. Rose's kitchen. So today's recipe is how to prepare egg stew the easy way. Okay, so let's not waste time, let's get started. Alright guys, so I have the ingredients on your screen. Go through the ingredients and let's get real started, right? Okay, so I'll be at the kitchen waiting for you. So this is the vegetable oil. Go ahead and pour your vegetable oil in your pot and then add your blended garlic, onion, ginger, pepper mix. Okay, add it and then keep stirring. Make sure the water absorb. Okay, keep stirring to avoid burnt and then add your blended tomatoes. Yes, and stir. Please, at this point, make sure you cover it to help you make your kitchen clean. Okay, otherwise you will stain your kitchen. So keep checking it time by time. Okay, so add your tomato paste and then stir it and cover it again. Yes, that is how I do it. Guys, the place smells nice already. So this is the egg. I'm adding my eggs to it. Okay, yes, and then I'll cover it. Please, at this point, switch your stove to the very medium heat or low heat, okay, so that you will get it as you want. I mean, the flaky as you want. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add salt to taste. Yeah, yes guys, this is seasoning cube and then I'll stir, and then there's my mixed spice. If you want to know how I did all this all purpose mixed spice, please go through my videos, it's there, and watch it. There's a salmon or mackerel. Yes, and then salmon gives your stew a very unique and nice taste there. So this is carrots. I'll go ahead and add my carrots and I'll stir for a while, and then I'll add my oil. So at this point, you can add oil if you feel it's too dry for you, but then I'm okay with the oil. So I am okay, but you can add oil, it's optional. So this is my onions. So when I add onions to my stew or my food, then it means the food is ready. Oh guys, yes, you can still add extra oil if you want, but this is okay for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and serve it with rice. Oh my gosh, you can serve this with any food of your choice, but I'll serve it with rice, and then I'll eat the same stew with ripe plantain. Yeah. It tastes so nice. Oh my god, try this recipe and thank me later. Okay, the name is Dr. Rosie. Please follow, subscribe, like, share. Okay, someone really needs this video to start learning how to cook. Okay, so share to help somebody, and God bless you for sharing. So this is my Kobe, yes, salted tilapia and egg. Yeah, I really enjoyed myself, guys. I really enjoyed myself. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and see you